All right, today we're going to bring a CarPlay. Now, the good thing about this CarPlay, they do give you different options. You have a Type C to Type A and a Type C to Type C for the newer vehicles, all right? Now, when you purchase a vehicle, they don't cover any navigation no more. They normally have just, you have to set up your CarPlay within the system. Now, most of the times you got to tether them in. This way you don't. You actually just plug this in to the actual module and you're set to go. So we're going to set this up today and see how it works and show you a couple of features on it. All right, we're gonna plug it in first. First time plugging it in, we're gonna do Type A. All right, we got the Type A plugged in right now. And right now you don't see anything, but we're gonna look for this CarPlay on the phone. So go ahead and look for the CarPlay on the phone. DrivePlay, it's called DrivePlay. Go ahead and do that one, DrivePlay. And it's gonna tether in, it's gonna give you a code. We're not gonna film the code. Yeah, go ahead and pair. Connecting it and see how it's blinking now. And there it is. Go ahead and continue. Now it popped up in here. Hit continue, agree to the terms, and it's going to ask you of all the steps on 911 and so forth. Hit next. Now it's going to come up right now. There it is. So once it pops up in here, it pops up immediately. So I'm not going to show you the navigation system, but you have it here, and then you got plenty of apps. All right, so if you like Chick-fil-A, you can always go to Chick-fil-A. Now this thing is going to automatically connect to your car. But let's go back in here. Pandora, your Ford Sync, your applications and so forth. Now I am going to show you the navigation, but I'm gonna blur it out. All right, navigation, I'm blurring it out because I'm not allowed to show you the street addresses or anything, but just to show you how it looks. Now everything here is going to sync automatically with your phone, so any incoming calls, it's going to come in here. Any videos, any play, and anything that's coming out from the system, it's going to be displayed into this system. So this one comes with a bunch of different apps. You could download some more apps and you could set it up and sync it up on your phone. So out of the system, it starts blinking. It shows that it's on and it's working.